In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image in Figma. Whether you're a beginner or have been using Figma for a while, understanding how to crop an image is an essential skill you'll use often. So, let's dive in and explore the step-by-step process to achieve just that. First things first, let's open your web browser and navigate to Figma. Go ahead and search for Figma in your preferred search engine if you haven't saved the URL. Once you're on the website, you'll need to log in. Input your credentials to access your dashboard. If you've been working on a specific project, you'll see it in your recent files. If not, open up the design file you wish to edit from your list of projects. Having opened your design file, the next step involves selecting the image layer you intend to crop. Take a moment to locate it in your design. When you click on it, you'll see that it's highlighted, indicating it's selected. This step is crucial as it tells Figma the particular asset you want to work on. You should notice on the right sidebar, under the Design tab, there's a section labeled Image. Situated next to it, you'll find the crop icon. This icon typically resembles a crop frame, making it easy to spot. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. Upon clicking the crop icon, you'll observe that several blue handles appear around your image. These handles are your tools for cropping. Click and drag these handles to define the precise area of the image you wish to retain. Feel free to experiment with different crop sizes until you get the exact portion of the image you want. Remember, you can always adjust these handles until you're satisfied with the selection. Finally, once you're happy with how your crop looks, click anywhere on the canvas outside the image. This action finalizes your crop. The blue handles will disappear, confirming that your image has been successfully cropped to your specifications. And there you have it. You've now learned how to crop an image in Figma. This straightforward process is invaluable for redesigning elements or focusing on particular aspects of your images. As you grow more familiar with it, you'll find it a handy tool in your design toolkit. Practice makes perfect with any design software. So apply these steps in your future projects and become an expert in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. Happy designing!